thank you so much for clicking. You're very much welcome to my English to Tuwali Ifugao tutorial. So for today's lesson, we are going to learn how to be polite in Ifugao. Calling someone's name in Ifugao is rude, especially if they are older than you. However, if they are just your friends, it's totally okay to call their names. To be polite, we need to use these words. Number 1, Manung. It means older brother. Number 2, Manang, older sister. Adding, younger brother or sister. Angkel for uncle. Auntie for aunt. Kaanakan for niece or nephews. Apu or apu for grandfather or grandmother. Ama for father. Ina for mother. And we can also use Mabalin. It means, is it okay? And Pangaahi or pangaasi for please. Let's say these words again. Repeat after me. Manung, manung, manang, manang, ading, ading, angkel, angkel, auntie, auntie, kaanakan, kaanakan, apu or apu, apu or apu, ama, ina, mabalin, pangaahi or pangaasi. Let's compare these sentences. Let's try to use manung. It means older brother. Okay. A. Makat mangan taku. Makat mangan taku. Makat mangan taku. It means, come, let's eat. B. Manung, makat mangan taku. Manung, makat mangan taku. Manung, makat mangan taku. Manung makat mangan taku means, older brother, come, let's eat. So, which one is better? So, letter A is a command. Letter B is a polite way to say, come, let's eat. Another sentence. Pedro, makat mangan taku. Pedro, makat mangan taku. It means, Pedro, come, let's eat. Letter B. Manung, makat mangan taku. Manung, makat mangan taku. So, letter A is, again, you mention the name of the person. The older person, which is really rude. So, it's better for you to use manung. So, letter B is polite. Manung, makat mangan taku. By saying the word manung or older brother, you are showing that you really respect the person and it shows politeness. Number 2, let's try to use manang, which means older sister, and mabalin, which means, is it okay? A. Sentence A. Munda magakngay. Munda magakngay. Munda magakngay. B. Manang, mabalin an mundamag. Manang, mabalin an mundamag. Manang, mabalin an mundamag. For sentence A, it means you are commanding someone that you want to ask. For sentence B, it's a polite way to say, can I ask you something? So the sentence literally means, sister, is it okay if I ask you something? Number 3, let's use the word ading, which means younger sister or brother. Sentence A. Badanganak, badanganak, badanganak. Sentence B. Ading, badanganak, ading, badanganak, ading, badanganak. For sentence A, badanganak means help me. So you are commanding your younger sister or brother to help you. However, for letter B, sentence B, ading, badanganak, it is a polite way to ask your younger sister or brother to help you. The sentence literally means, younger brother or younger sister, help me. Using polite words plus name, for example, Manung, Pedro, Angkel Gaspar, sometimes sounds a little bit rude, except when you are calling or looking for a particular person. Let's have an example. You want to call your uncle to eat. Angkel Gaspar, makat mangan. Angkel Gaspar, makat mangan. Angkel Gaspar, makat mangan. So in this case, no need for you to use the name, or no need for you to mention the name. You can just use the polite word, which is angkel. Angkel, makat mangan. Angkel, makat mangan. The next sentence is, tinigom hi Angkel Gaspar. Tinigom hi Angkel Gaspar. Tinigom hi Angkel Gaspar. So in this case, you can use uncle or uncle plus name, which is Angkel Gaspar. So the sentence means, have you seen Uncle Gaspar? If you have 5 uncles in a group and you are just looking for a particular uncle, let's say you are looking for your Uncle Gaspar. So in that case, it's better for you to use uncle plus name, Angkel Gaspar. Dehnah Angkel Gaspar, it means, is Uncle Gaspar there? Dehnah Angkel Gaspar. Dehnah Angkel Gaspar. Okay. Number 4, let's use the word Pangaahi or pangaasi. It means please. Let's compare these 3 sentences. Sentence A. Badanganak, badanganak, badanganak. Sentence B. Pangaahim tabadanganak, pangaahim tabadanganak, pangaahim tabadanganak. Sentence C. Pangaahiyu tabadanganak, pangaahiyu tabadanganak, pangaahiyu tabadanganak. Sentence A literally means help me. Sentence B, you are asking a single person to help you. Please help me. Sentence C, you are asking many people to help you. Pangaahim, in letter B, you are asking for a single person. And for sentence C, the word pangaahi, you are calling many people, 2 or more people, to help you. So, please help me. Pangaahi ta badanganak. So, sentence B and C is better to use. You are really begging someone to help you. Next, number 5. Let's use the polite word Mabalin. It means, is it okay if? Let's compare these two sentences. A. Makiagamangak hibareyo. Makiagamangak hibareyo. Makiagamangak hibareyo. Sentence B. Mabalin an makiagamangak hibareyo. Mabalin an makiagamangak hibareyo. Mabalin an makiagamangak hibareyo. So, letter B is a polite word, a polite way to tell someone that you wanted to sleep over in their home. The first sentence is, it's like you are insisting that you want to sleep over in their home. However, in the sentence B, it's a polite way to say, I want to sleep over in your home. So the sentence B literally means, is it okay if I sleep over? You can also use the word makihuyop. Makihuyop. Mabalin an makihuyopak hibareyo. Mabalin an makihuyopak hibareyo. So makihuyop means sleepover. Makihuyopak, I sleep over. So you can use both makiagamangak and makihuyopak. So let's have a short activity. How to say, Aunt, come, let's eat. You're right. Auntie, makat mangan. Auntie, makat mangan. How to say, older brother, come, let's eat. Right. Manung, makat mangan. That's the end of our lesson for today. Please help me by liking the video and, of course, subscribing to my channel. See you again!